What's going on, everybody? This is Rob from Mainly Dirt Fishing. And as you can see, Digger and Sissa are going to help Zoe open up some stuff that Dr. OTEK sent her. She's got a mail call. Dr. OTEK sent her a couple packages. And Digger, of course, wants to see what's in there. Oh, there you go. Say hi to everybody, Zoe.
Hi.
What do you got there? Oh, wow. Open it up, and you'll see. Wow, you got your own pouch. Wow, that's a Dr. OTEK pouch. Check that out. So they sent you basically your own pouch. What else is in there?
And a shovel.
A shovel? That's a hand digger. Whoa. Look at that beast. What do you think of that?
I like it.
You like it? And it says Dr. OTEK on it. So you've got a pouch and a digger.
Yep.
All right. Let's see what else you got.
Sharp.
Yes, it is. Now, let's see what else you got. And hopefully Digger doesn't try getting it. Oh, Sissa. Digger, what's going on, buddy? All right. Yeah, there you go. Just pull it back that way. Ooh, he wants to play in the box. Ooh, I wonder what's in there. Dr. OTEK sent this here because they want us to test drive something for them. And if I decide that I want to do it, then maybe Zoe will have her own part of my YouTube channel. And I got some plans. Oh, wow. No way.
It's a box inside a box.
Oh, no way. Look at that.
Does anybody have a knife?
Just, I don't have enough. Oh, yeah, you do. All right, hold on. Gramps is... There, it should. See, that thing will open up boxes and everything.
Hopefully.
All right, rip her open. There you go. Let me see what you got in there. Metal detector. Oh, wow. This is a Dr. OTEK beginner metal detector. It's an MT9S. And they sent this to Zoe and me to basically, wow. Let me show them what's inside here, Zoe. All right. So when you get one of these, let me see. Open that up. Let's see how easy it is to put together. Can you put that together for me?
1 second.
All right. Wow, that looks like it's pretty easy. Oh, no. No, upside down there. Turn it the other. Yeah, there. Yep. Zoe's 9 years old, by the way. And all right, so I'm gonna try. You gotta slow down. You got a hold of it there, Squirt. Betsy, can you film for me so I can put this together with her? Don't unscrew that. Look, you want to go like this. This is going to go in there like that. You're going to put that down like that, okay? And then this,
That needs to be.
yep, you need to put it back in the thing, okay? Let me tighten this up. Hold it right out instead of, okay, there we go. So there's that. We want to get it straight on, about like that, and then we'll tighten her up there. Now stand up and see, yeah, see how it is. I'm filming again. Okay, so go over here in the grass and just give her a little swing side to side real slow, right there, about that height off the ground. A little further. Come on, swing her a little bit. There you go. There you go. So how's it feel? Pretty comfortable?
Yeah.
Yeah? All right. All right, well, I'll take you up to the school and we'll get you practicing. Come over here. Let's see what else you got in there. All right, so we got a Dr. OTEK MT9S.
Another.
Oh, open her up. Is that another pouch? That's cool. Wow.
What?
2 pouches.
Wow, that hurt.
Oh, wow. So you got another pouch. That's a smaller one. That's probably more your size.
Yeah.
They might have sent that other stuff so I could test it out and you could use the knife in the video. There's another scoop. And then what else you got in here? Oh, they sent you a battery. So it's a 9-volt. And then a user's manual. All right. So what we're going to do, folks, is we're going to make sure that we read this manual. And then I'm going to create another video with Zoe up at the school testing this out. I'll set up a coin garden for her. And did you have anything to say, Zoe?
Thank you,
Dr. OTEK.
Dr. OTEK.
And
Crown voice.